Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So there we have the problem on the screen. Find the derivative of the following x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Right? So we notice that this is an implicit function, right, of y. And why is it an implicit function? Because we don't have y express explicitly in terms of x, which is an independent variable, right? So we have an x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1, which means that y is not explicitly expressed in terms of the independent variable x, right? So it's okay to leave the final answer in terms of y and x in these problems, right? So let me do a differentiation on either side. I know my a and b are constants, right? So I'm going to do d by dx of x square, which is 2x, and we know why is it, because d by dx of x to the power n equals x to the power n minus 1. So I do that. And then I come to my next part, which is y square divided by b square, right? So I just want to spend a minute on y square, right? Now we've been asked to find dy by dx, right? And when we are differentiating the expression with respect to x, right, we still can go ahead and apply, you know, the chain rule, what I discussed in my earlier videos. And how do we do that? We have two functions. One is an outer function, which is my square function, right? And my square function here is y square. And then I have an inner function, which is y, right? So my outer function, I differentiate it with respect to the inner function. So when I do a differentiation of y square with respect to y, what is it? It is nothing but 2y, right? And why is it? Just like how when we do a differentiation of x square with respect to x, we know that it is 2x, right? Similarly, when we do a differentiation of y square with respect to the inner function y, it is nothing but 2y, right? But then when we apply the chain rule, we go ahead and differentiate the inner function with respect to x to complete the derivative of that particular expression. In this case, it is y square. So my d by dx of y square is nothing but 2y into d by dx of the inner expression, which is dy by dx, right? I hope you folks are with me out here, and if there is a problem, please do mention in the comments, and I'll be happy to sort this out for you, right? So I have my b squared here, which is still a constant. I do not have to worry about it. I retain it as it is. And then I have a 1 on my RHS. So my d by dx 1 is nothing but a 0, right? So this is what I have. I have 2x divided by a square plus 2y divided by b squared times dy by dx equals 0, right? Now I do a bit of rearrangement before I arrive at my dy by dx. So my 2y divided by b squared times dy by dx is nothing but minus 2 times 2x by a square, right? And then folks, my 2 and 2 are available to cancel on either side. And then I my dy by dx becomes equal to minus of x times b square. And why is that? Because let me write it like this: minus of 2x by a square divided by 2y by b square, right? Now my 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, and then I'm left with minus x. I move the b square up, right? So I'm left with minus x times b square divided by y times a square, right? Yeah, I don't think we can do any further simplification. So my answer is, let me write it in a better way. I don't think it's good practice to write a constant multiplied by xs in this way. I think I'll have to put it the other way. So minus b square x divided by a square y, right? I think this is a better way of representing our final answer. I don't think we can do any further simplification. So there I have the final answer, highlight in pink, minus b square x divided by a square y. Right? I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.